Stock number 40476G. It's a 2013 Cayenne. Porsche Cayenne, something like that. Tail, it's in really nice condition. Porsche. Door down here missing a little plastic fender thing. See back there, quarter panel's no good, missing tail light. Right here, got a parking lot ding, tail light's broken. Couple parking lot dings right there. Dent right there, some surface scratch on that door. Does have a key, no start. Passenger front and back seat belts are locked, and the driver rear seat belt is locked. It's got the paddle shifters. It's got the moonroof. The passenger side. The driver's side. Got the glove box. Interior's in really nice condition. Again, that's stock number 40476G. It's a 2013 Porsche Cayenne.